Good morning students. I am Gayatri from Arcane Gyanjodi Public School, Chengalpet. Today I will take science class for 5th standard. Today's portion is Chapter 1, Reproduction in Plants. Today's topic is reproduction in plants from roots, stems and leaves. Now we go to the class. Yes. Reproduction in plants from roots, stems and leaves. Do you know that some plants are capable for reproducing new plants without producing seeds? Some plants are capable of reproducing new plants without producing seeds. So, there are plants that can produce new plants from roots, stems and leaves. There are plants that can produce new plants from roots, stems and leaves. Let us find out about such plants. Yes. First, reproduction from roots. First, we see about reproduction from roots. The roots of dahlia and sweet potato plants can be cut from the main plants and planted again in the soil to produce new plants. The roots of dahlia and sweet potato plants then be cut from the main plants and then planted again in the soil and it will produce new plants. The roots of these plants store food. The roots of these plants store food which can help the new plant to grow easily. The roots of these plants store food. Okay. The roots of these plants store food in the stem, so they can help the new plant to grow easily. Are you clear? Are you clear? Okay. And then reproduction from stems. Next we will see about reproduction from stems. Do you know the potatoes, onions, ginger and turmeric, they are actually stems? Yes or no? Yes. So, these grow under the soil and hence they are called underground stems. These grow under the soil and hence called underground stems. Okay. The potatoes, onions, ginger and turmeric, they are actually stems. These grow under the soil and are hence called underground stems. Okay. Okay. Then potatoes. Check the potatoes in the vegetable box at your home. Do you see some buds sprouting on a few? We see the buds sprouting on a few. So, when a piece of potato with a bud is planted in the soil, it grows into a new plant. It grows into a new plant. In potato have small buds. So, when a piece of potato with a bud is planted in the soil, it grows into a new plant. Okay. So, some plants they reproduce from stems. Okay. Okay. Then we will see about reproduction from leaves. Some plants have the ability to grow into new plants through their leaves. Some plants have the ability to grow into new plants through their leaves. For example, in bryophyllum plant, the plantlets develop at the edges of the leaf. Okay, the plantlets develop at the edges of each leaf. Once these plantlets grow, they fall off and grow into new plants. Once these plantlets grow, they fall off and grow into new plants. Are you clear? Are you clear? So, today we discussed about reproduction from roots, reproduction from stems and reproduction from leaves. Okay? Okay? I hope all of you understood my class. So, now I wind up my presentation. Thank you all.